Hey guys, introducing Eduard Pronin. Hopefully I got that name correct. I saw this guy and I really liked his kind of creativity for design. His hard surf stuff's really unique, has a different flavor to a lot of the stuff you see. And just the types of ideas that he's coming up with is really unique. They're kind of like this quirky, but kind of out of necessity. That's real sci-fi, pushing the boundaries of what there might be in the future, and I like that. I like to see designs that could have an applicable real-world application, but maybe not. But you never know, right? And I think you don't see enough of that, and it's just it's really great to see that kind of that thought process that he's applying to design in general, and how would you solve certain things and do all these things into the future and day-to-day things that we have to deal with. So yeah, I really enjoy it. I really enjoy some of his miniature type stuff work there, and some of his vehicle stuff's pretty cool also. So you guys can go check him out there on ArtStation. Until next time.